These are my favorite contacts, hands down, period. With the pinky, period, my favorite. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sachima, aka Cham. You know what it is, what we doing, and how we doing it. Today I have a OOMFR video. One of my followers requested me to do a contact care video, so I'm about to do that real quick and let y'all know my hair is jacked up. It is, and it's gonna stay like this, okay? Like, I could get a hat, but it doesn't match, so we're staying like this. You know, I'm natural goals, simple. You know what I'm saying? So we're about to get right into this video. If you don't know about my contacts, the type of contacts I use are the Fresh Look Tri-Blend contacts, color contacts. They are non-prescribed. If you want to know all about my contacts, I have a video and it's going to be linked right here. So go ahead and just click the link right here and it's going to tell you all about my contacts. They are gray. First things first, I have a little case like this that I keep my contacts in, if you can see them like that. I have a little case. I'm gonna clean the case for y'all. I'm gonna clean the contacts for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all everything, the whole nine, okay? This case, I got this case from Walmart. It was a pack of 3, I think for like $4. It was definitely less than $5 for like a pack of 3 contact cases. It's an L in Braille, to let people know this is the left and this is the right. I don't switch contacts between cases. So like, if this is my right contact and it goes in my right eye, it always goes in my right eye and it always goes back right in this contact case. And this is my left, it always goes in my left eye and it goes right back in the left contact case. I typically try to change the water, the solution. I try to change it after 3 days, but that's not realistic. But like after 3 days, which for me is like 3 wears, or when the water starts like if I take it off, and like if I took my contacts off now and like some of my makeup got in the solution, I would change the water then. So if the water got dirty or after 3 days, 3 wears, that's whenever I change my contact solution. Now I try to clean my contacts either when they start to burn my eyes, which is not good. If your contacts burn your eyes, I know somebody in the comments gonna drag me. If your contacts start to burn your eyes, you need to throw them away. I'm not throwing my contacts away. If they ain't ripped or got any holes in them, I'm keeping them, okay? If they start to burn, that means I need to wash them, and I'm about to show you how to do that. So when they start to burn, I'll wash them, or once a month. I just want to show y'all, I have the Equate redness reliever, which is not what you think. It's not eye drops. It's not eye drops in here. It's contact solution. Let me see if I have contact solution here. Okay, no, I don't have contact solution, but this will do. This is contact solution. I just refilled the bottle. This is my travel bottle. So this is contact solution in there. It is not eye drops in here. I'm just gonna be honest. And so first things first, because I have dropped contacts down the drain, even though we just broke our drain, I'm gonna show y'all how to like do all this. So what you wanna do is take some toilet paper, some paper towels, something. The thing that blocks the drain, even if you have that, you still wanna put paper towels over it, because when we did have ours, I still dropped my contacts down the drain. So I'm using a little bit of water to kind of like set it in place. And then after that, you take your contacts and the solution, and you'll also need a cotton swab. So left, right. I usually do these one at a time, but it's cool. The first thing you want to clean, you're going to need a couple more cotton swabs than this. I want to clean a little bit of water. I'm going to use some soap And I'm just cleaning this. Getting all my makeup off of here because I don't know if you could see it, but it was dirty. So I'm cleaning all my makeup off of here. We have a hole. That is done. You can go ahead. I'm gonna put this right here. So what I do is I put the contact in my hand. Put a few drops of this, of the solution. Literally just taking the cotton swab and just rolling it. Flip it over. So now it just turned inside out, and you want to make sure you're careful when that happens, because you want the contact on the right side. So I just remembered that it flipped, and then now I just flipped it back. I don't know if you've seen that. But it's really not like that much work. You just want to clean it. Oops. Just clean it. Flip it. Clean it. Real gentle. I'm not even applying any pressure, honestly. I'm just kind of just cleaning it a little bit. And this is the right, so I'm gonna pop that in the right side. And the last one is the left. So the same thing, put it in the palm of your hands. Take enough to fill up the whole contact lens. Get you a cotton swab and just roll it, roll it, roll it. And this one's done, and you put it on the left side. And as you can see, no dirt really came off. It was just kind of like wiping it. Next, you can do your lids if you want to. I do them. It's the same thing as the case. Just run around it a few times. And then you just close them. Boom. Can you see my eye? So basically this is how it turned out. Like, as you can see, like, my eyes aren't irritated. Of course, they're a little bit red because you're putting something in your eyes, but outside of that, like, they don't hurt, they don't burn, they feel clean, they feel fresh. And that's basically how I take care of my contacts, how I clean them, how I make them back to brand new. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Definitely leave a comment down below what you think about this video. If you like my contact care routine, or if you do other routines to like basically clean your contacts. I also want to know how many people that watch my video, how many of y'all either wear contacts or glasses, because I think I have 20/20 vision, but the last time I got my driver's license renewed, this eye wasn't really working too well, and I was trying to like tap it, like, you know, come back, like work, but it wasn't working too well. So, you know, I don't too much know about the 20/20 vision. So I'm just curious how many people in this world that watch my video, how many of y'all either wear contacts or glasses. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification to stay updated with all my future content, because you just don't want to miss out on anything. So if I were you, I would, you know, turn on that notification and also subscribe. I'm almost at 30K. Help me get there. Yeah, chime in next time. Bye.